Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Here we discuss about the airline reservation system. Next we discuss about the domain introduction. PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is an HTML embedded web scripting language. This means PHP code can be inserted into the HTML of a web page. When a PHP page is accessed, the PHP code is read or parsed by the server the page resides on. Next we discuss about the abstract introduction. Airline reservation system is a computerized system used to store and retrieve information and conduct transactions related to air travel. The project is aimed at exposing the relevance and importance of airline reservation system. It's projected towards enhancing the relationship between customers and airline agencies through the use of ARS and thereby making it convenient for the customers to book the flights as when they require, such that they can utilize this software to make reservations. This software has two parts. First is user part and administration part. User part is used a front end and administrator is a back end. Administrator is used by airline authority. It will allow the customers to access database and allow new customers to sign up for online access. The system allows the airline passenger to search for flights that are available between the two travel sites, namely the departure city and arrival city for a particular departure and arrival dates. The system display all the flights detail such as flight number, name, price and duration of journey, etc. After search, the system display list of available flights and allow customer to choose a particular flight. Then the system check for the availability of seats on the flight. If the seats are available, then the system allows the passenger to book a seat. Otherwise, it asks user to choose another flight. To book a flight, the system asks the customer to enter his details such as name, address, city, country and contact number. Then it checks the validity of a card and book the flight and update the airline database and user database. The system also allows the customer to cancel his air reservation if any problem occur. The main purpose of the software is to reduce the manual error involved in the airline reservation process and make it convenient for the customer to book the flight as when they require, such that can utilize this software to make reservations, modify reservations or cancel a particular reservations. Next we discuss about the data flow diagram. Two parts, user and admin part. First of all, registration. After registration, with us the passenger can log on to his her own account and can view all flight details such as timings, price, availability of seats and can book the ticket with a unique ticket ID and given its personal details. Once passenger registered with use can book any number of tickets. And then administrator is provided for the sake of administrators to manage the site and update the content at regular intervals. The major operations include in create and maintain airline schedule, fare and timings of the flights, view the passenger list, view the available seats in the flights, updating the flight schedule and timings and fare. Where a passenger user logging into the his her own account will view his panel. The major included in the model where view all airline schedule, timing, fare detail and seats availability, book for the tickets and view the ticket and cancel the ticket. Start the running process. Login. Welcome to airline reservation system. User and admin. Choose the register button. and add details. Submit, and then user login. Login, ticket availability checking, and then booking ticket. Next, check weather for 5 days, and then recommended hotels. Most visited places will be displayed. Choose your direction, and then check availability for direction. Ticket availability checking, and then next, ticket booking. Click the submit button, and then ticket is created. Your e-ticket is successfully created. Name, passport number and visa number will be displayed. And then next step is cash payment or card payment method. Submit button, and then show the payment view. And then next step is ticket cancel process is yes. Again, flight name, and then cancel this process. Your ticket booking is cancelled. Next part is admin part. Click the admin. Submit, and then add flight, modify flight, delete flight, and then home. Add flight. Enter the flight name. Add flight details. Added successfully, and then click the back button. Modify flight details. Edit flight. Updated successfully, and then back button. Delete flight. Your flight is deleted successfully, and then click the back button. Finally click the home, and then flight requirement informations. Next, home, click the home button. That's all.